planning to work in Malta? Here's what you need to know. Malta, a gem in the heart of the Mediterranean, is not just a picturesque tourist destination. It's a thriving hub of opportunities, and a work permit is your golden ticket to experience it all. This permit is not merely a document, it's your passport to a multicultural working environment, competitive salaries, and a high standard of living. But how does one get this ticket, you ask? Fear not, this video is your comprehensive guide. We'll walk you through the importance of the Malta Work Permit, its benefits, and a sneak peek into the application process. From eligibility criteria to required documents and the application process, we've got it all covered. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate, this guide is for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of securing a work permit for Malta. Before you begin, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. The first step in securing a Malta work permit is to have a job offer from a Maltese employer. It's crucial to know that you must be of legal working age in Malta, which is 16. Another non-negotiable eligibility requirement is a clean criminal record. Malta places utmost importance on the safety and security of its residents, hence, a criminal background check is mandatory. Once you're certain you meet these criteria, it's time to gather the necessary documents. Gathering the right documents is crucial for a successful application. So, let's break down what you're going to need for your Malta Work Permit application. Firstly, your passport. It's vital to have a valid passport, preferably with at least 6 months remaining before its expiration date. This is your primary form of identification, so make sure it's up to date. Next up, your job contract. This is proof that you have a legitimate reason to work in Malta. It should include details like your job title, salary, and terms of employment. Ensure that it's signed by both you and your employer. Lastly, you'll need proof of accommodation in Malta. This could be a rental agreement, a letter from a friend or family member stating that you'll be staying with them, or a hotel reservation. Remember to double-check everything. Make sure all your documents are valid, up-to-date, and clearly legible. Any mistakes or omissions can lead to delays or even rejections. With all the documents in hand, you're now ready to apply. Now, let's navigate the application process. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, prepare your documents and submit your application. This can typically be done online, which is convenient, secure, and efficient. Second, you need to pay the application fee. The amount varies, so it's essential to check the latest information on the official website. Most likely, you'll be able to pay online as well, using a credit or debit card. Lastly, after submitting your application and paying the fee, you'll need to wait for approval. The processing time varies, usually taking a few weeks to a couple of months. If your application is rejected, don't lose heart. Review the feedback, improve your application, and try again. Remember, it's a process. It may be lengthy, but don't be discouraged. The opportunity to work in the beautiful island nation of Malta is definitely worth the wait. Let's quickly review what we've covered. Firstly, we explored who is eligible to apply for a Malta work permit. Then, we delved into the required documents, highlighting the importance of thoroughness and accuracy. Finally, we walked through the application process step by step to give you a clear roadmap. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Your journey to work in Malta starts with a successful work permit application. Good luck! Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If this guide lit the path for you, do give us a thumbs up. And for more travel insights, hit that subscribe button and join the Travel Evia community. Got questions or personal experiences to share? We'd love to hear them in the comments below. Embarking on your journey shouldn't be daunting. If you need guidance or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Here's how you can contact us. If you're looking for more travel tips and advice, check out these other videos. We've curated a range of topics to help you navigate the world of travel with ease. With Travelavia, your Schengen dreams are one step closer. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.